Hey kids, what time is it? It's time for Tom's Radio Room show, and this is Tom Styles, and it's actually time for those Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, and the people at Retekess is having a big sale on a lot of their radios. So let me show you what they got on sale. Here's the first one, and I'll be showing you the radio, the price, and down at the bottom of each slide, I will have the numbers of the shows that I did reviews on this particular radio. So the first one is the V115 digital AM/FM shortwave radio. Normally sells for $25. For the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, actually starting yesterday, November 22nd, running for 7 days, this one will be on sale for $14.99. So watch the dates. The dates will be different for each of the radios, and the dates might change. So you need to go on Amazon and check it out. So here's the radio right here. AM/FM shortwave MP3 recorder and player. This thing's got a lot of stuff in it, and at that new price is a fantastic deal. Here's the next one. The TRRS AM/FM radio normally sells for $30. For the Black Friday sale starting yesterday for 7 days, it will be only $23.79. And here's that one. It's a pretty good size radio, big speaker, nice sound quality. Here is the Pocket PR15, which includes NOAA radio, normally sells for $15. Starting on November 23rd, it will be $11.19. Here's a picture of it. The next one, the V112 Pocket AM/FM radio, normally sells for $17. Starting November 25th, it will be on sale for $13.59. Again, note the times when these things will be on sale. There it is right there. The next one is the TR105 AM/FM shortwave and airband. Normally sells for $50. Will be on sale November 25th at $39.99. There it is right there. The next one is the 618 AM/FM shortwave radio. Normally $38. Will be on sale November 26th for $30.39. Nice radio. The next one is the TR606 tape radio. Sells for $30. Will be on sale November 27th during this time right here, and it will be only $23.99. There it is. Cassette player AM/FM recorder. So you can support my shows by using my Amazon store. There's the link right there. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. You're dealing directly with Amazon. When you go to my store, it's just a web page that is on Amazon. There's no additional cost. I used all my commissions to buy more things to review on my show. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up button and share using the share button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And remember, I'm no expert, so take everything you see with that in mind. Thanks for watching. Have a great holiday. Bye-bye.